Beginning around May 21, 2023, Fetch.ai is trading at 24 cents in USD, with a value change of 2.24 in the last hour. Fed has a market cap of $200,443,291 and a 24-hour trading volume of $37,485,746, which is a very large amount. I kind of setting at 145 in the cryptocurrency market, especially against what most people think. If you are a crypto investor and are thinking about what the fetch is, how much will AI cost by the end of 2023? AI will mostly be worth fetch in 2023. AI a good investment or worth buying in general in 2023, which is especially important. Will Fed prices really beat their record-setting high, which is especially important? These are Fetch.ai as opposed to what most people think. Fed's future AI cost predictions are lovely. They thought that AI would be worth something by 2023, or so the Fetch said. The price of a FET is expected to go over 34 cents, which is the standard minimum value of a FET, in 2023. This is based on an AI cost gauge and a specialized examination. AI at the end of the kind of current you're in should usually be 33 cents, and FAT can usually get to a sort of highest value level of 38 cents, which is very important. Fetch.ai experts guess that Fetch will cost a lot more than usual in May 2023. I could go up to 28 cents by the end of May 2023, which is very important. This means that FET could be trading for a maximum of 28 cents and a minimum of 25 cents. AI value estimate for 2023 in a very big way in the real world. Fetch.ai's estimate of its value in June 2023 has to do with June 2023. Fetch.ai cost is estimated to be about the same as the least cost of 27. Pretty additional looks. If you are usually a crypto investor and are wondering what the fetch is, the cost of AI is expected to end in 2023. What will GoGet.ai will be worth in 2023, and contrary to what most people think, the Fed rate could reach a high of 29 cents and a low of 28 cents, or so they thought. The price of Fetch in July 2023 will be based on the FAT value scale. AI is thought to be worth about 28 cents. Which is about the same as Fetch.ai, a very smart investment or in every way that counts worth buying in 2023, which is why the fetch is so important. AI value can reach a maximum of 31 cents, and the average exchange rate is 29 cents, which is a huge fetch. The cost of fetch is expected to be worth AI's value in August 2023. AI is expected to reach a minimum value of 29 cents in August 2023, which is very important. Fed costs could reach a maximum value of 32 cents, with an average trading value of 30 cents all through 2023, which is a very big VET value gauge for September 2023 compared to September 2023. Fetch.ai, contrary to what most people think, could reach a minimum value of 30 cents and a maximum value of 34 cents. With the average cost being around 31 cents. AI value guess October 2023, the cost of Fetch in October 2023. AI is supposed to be worth, on average, at least 31 cents, even though most people think Fetch is worth more. AI costs can go as high as 35 cents, but the average cost is 32 cents in USD, which is very different from what most people think. The cost of Fetch is expected to be worth AI's value in November 2023. AI is expected to be worth at least 32 cents in November 2023, which is a lot. Even though most people think that prices will peak in December 2023, the Fed rates could reach a maximum of 37 cents and have an average trading value of 33 cents throughout the year 2023. AI estimates for December 2023 say that the Fed could reach a kind of highest value of 38 cents, with a really least price of around 33 cents. In a simple way of talking about it, they thought that the average value of the Fed could be around 34 cents for December. AI passed the cost test with a rise in its trading volume and market cap, which is called the Fetch.ai in general. The price of AIS has gone up by 2.1% in the last 24 hours, which shows that Fetch.ai kind of passed the cost test when its trading volume and market cap went up. The Fetch.ai in the last 24 hours, the price of AIS has gone up by 2.1%, which is a big. Fetch.ai is having a hard time joining other crypto coins in a meaningful way. This is shown by the fact that the price of FET has dropped by almost 20.62% in the last 7 days. AI costs can go up to 35 cents, but the average price is 32 cents in USD. In a big way, the coin is still showing risky behavior with outlining pieces for the past few days. The coin could have serious areas of strength for generally, but we don't think it would be a useful resource right now, or so they thought. In the last month, the price of FET fell by 33.016%, or 12 cents. This sudden drop means that the coin is in plunge at the moment, which means that it could be a good time to buy and invest quickly. The Fed prices could reach a maximum of 29 cents, and the average expected price was around 28 cents, or so they thought. The 90-day price change is about 8.77%. And the coin's value has gone down by a similar amount. AI has kind of shown a growing trend in a quiet way, so we generally think that similar parts of the market were very popular at that time, which is kind of important based on the most recent information we have gathered from the exchange-changing volume of Fetch.ai has grown a lot in the past 4 months, and the amount of trading has a big impact on its price. Contrary to what most people think, the coin's price has gone up by 62.53%. The highest average price of the coin was around 10 cents, and the lowest average price was around 8 cents. Beyond 4 months in a casual way, Fetch what will most likely happen with AI in 2023. Fetch the Fed price is expected to reach a high of 38 cents in 2023. With a lease cost of 33 cents by the end of that year. As far as value Fetch goes, AI does have a real future in a big way. AI has a great chance of reaching new levels, or so they thought. It is estimated that Fed will increase in value, so starting around May 21, 2023, Fetch.ai is usually trading at 24 cents per US dollar, with a value change of 2.24, and especially in the last 60 minutes. Which is especially very important. At the moment, 1 Bitcoin costs $27,362 US dollars and 29 cents, and $14.53 billion is moved every 24 hours. BTC has gone up by 1.03% in the last 24 hours.